Dumpster rental service in Long Island, New York. When you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Long Island, New York, S&S Containers Incorporated is the name to trust. We offer fast, affordable, and hassle-free dumpster rentals for residential, commercial, and construction projects. Whether you're cleaning out your home, remodeling a business, or managing a large construction site, our dumpsters provide the perfect waste disposal solution. With various sizes available, we make finding the right fit for your needs easy, ensuring a smooth and convenient rental experience. At S&S Containers Incorporated, we believe in fair and transparent pricing. You'll never encounter hidden fees or surprise charges. What we quote is what you pay, ensuring complete transparency from start to finish. Our commitment to keeping Long Island clean means we handle waste responsibly, ensure recyclables are processed properly, and use environmentally friendly disposal methods. When you choose our dumpster rentals, you're choosing reliability, affordability, and exceptional customer service. We provide prompt deliveries and pickups to keep your project running smoothly without delays. Call us at 718-648-2010 to schedule your dumpster rental. S&S Containers Incorporated is here to handle your waste disposal needs efficiently and affordably.